Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove text from the video in CapCut. Now you want to go ahead, drag your video to the timeline, drag your cursor to locate when the text appears, and it will start somewhere here. Now we need to go ahead and freeze frame the video. So click on freeze right there and you will have all of this section, which is freeze now. Now you want to go ahead and drag it onto the top to create an overlay. And now we need to go ahead and add it to the start of the text. So somewhere here. So drag it right there. And I'm going to drag it through the whole video because the text is through the whole half of a video. Now you want to choose this freeze option and click on resize. Now our text is somewhere here, so we need to go ahead and crop it to add it somewhere here. Basically, you need to also locate it. So I'm just going to leave it like so, confirm it. Now let's resize it. And we also need to go ahead and find that area. Here it is. Now, as you can see, the text is no longer appeared. We need to, of course, edit it a little bit to fit it perfectly. Now, once it's added right there, of course, adjust it so it would fit perfectly, but that's basically how you can do this. After that, just export your video and you're good to go. If this video was useful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.